Hello there guys, here making a quick little video on how to do this online crossword puzzle. Wanted to do something a little different for your project this week. Wanted to do two things. One, review a little bit about the settlements the Europeans made in North America. Many of them became cities that we still have today. And also look at the interaction between some of the early colonists and the Native American people. So you hopefully have already taken the Google quiz on Pocahontas. If you haven't, you can do that after you're finished. If not, the second thing you're doing is this crossword puzzle. So you should have clicked on the link. It brought you to this. Obviously it'll look a little bit different. I'm on the teacher view of it. But you'll see here are the words you're going to put in, and here are all of the clues. You'll notice that after every clue, it says either L1, L2, L3, or L4. Those stand for lesson. So if you open up another tab and you go back into your Odysseyware lessons, you will find, for example, that this clue is found in lesson 4. It's the name of a Dutch settlement that was founded by Peter Minuit, and it became New York City. And then in lesson 4 is where you would find the answer. So if you don't know it, you can go back to the lesson to look for it, and then you'll just type. So when you click on it, you can either click on the clue or you can click on the thing, the actual crossword puzzle. You'll just type what you want to enter, okay? And then you'll go to the next one. Now, once you've gone through and you've done all of these, it will turn green if you are correct. And if it's not correct, it won't be green. And you will have an opportunity to go back and make changes to your crossword puzzle if you would like before you submit it. So you can either hit the clue over here and it'll show you where it goes, or you can hit on the actual crossword puzzle. So let's say I decided, hey, that's definitely not the right answer. You can just go back and you just hit, you can retype. So I could change it to red, which is also not the right answer, but you can see how I did that. All right, and then it'll stay that way. When you are finished, when all of the puzzle is finished and it's green, or at least you've decided that you're finished with it, it is really important that you turn it in. So you need to hit this little envelope right here, okay? So when you hit that envelope, you will get this box. Please put your full name, first name, last name, and then you need to type in your MASD student. I don't have mine here. Oh, that's my MASD email. So you'll write in your email and then you'll hit send. It will actually send it to me. So yes, you're putting in your email, but it's already set up that it'll be sent to me. And then that's all you have to do to complete the crossword puzzle. All right, so if you have any questions or if you have any problems, please let me know.